Hey YouTube, I've got a 2010 Mini Cooper. I had to redo the heads and the valves, all that's a whole different video, don't worry about that. After I put it all back together, I had a misfire. It was a random misfire. It's not a coil because it's random. I did see one guy on the internet that showed that even though it's random, sometimes you can pull up the coil while it's running and see if it dies or if it stumbles. That way you know that one's firing. All four of mine are firing. I've done the throttle body. I've done everything I knew to do. Acted like a vacuum leak. I just couldn't find anything. I accidentally bumped my PVC breather hose, and when I did, the sound changed. Okay, and I realized that hose is actually broken and was allowing vacuum in. I haven't seen that on the internet anywhere. I wanted to put it out there so it might help some of you guys with the random misfire 300 codes. Haven't fixed it yet, but I am definite that's what it is. Everything else runs fine, speeds it's fine, but stumbles at low RPM or if you try to maintain a speed.